Today, for my 15 minutes to quilt, I'm going to be working on my Opulence 4-patch stack and whack quilt. The last time that I worked on this quilt, I sewed up the rest of the 4-patch blocks, and today I'm going to be pressing them open. This process is really exciting for me because it's the big reveal for what each of the blocks look like. Although I can see what it's going to look like when I just put the blocks next to each other, sometimes some of the part is hidden in the seam allowance. I'm really excited to see the reveal of each of these blocks. I hope that you get a chance to sew along with me. Let's get started. Okay, so this is what a block looks like. This one's just a little bit curved, so I wanted to press it again. But this is one that has already been done. And so now I'm going to work on the rest of my pieces here that need to be pressed. Grand reveal. Interesting. Looks like it's missing the other pieces. I really like this one. This one too. I like them all. I'm going to have to trim this off. think I know I made a mistake with this one because this doesn't have a full reflection. Do you see how all these things should be in the center? Both of these should be inside the center. I think it's okay the way it looks though. It's not a good reflection, but I think it's pretty the way it is. Takes longer to sew them together than it does to press them. I think I just need to stack all of these. I didn't stack them well when I was doing it, so we'll see what I can do about that. I like that there's so many different colorways as you put them together. Like this one. And this one too. These are the small extra blocks. Need to press this one anyway. Thought this one might be a sewing problem, but it's a pressing problem. Okay, go ahead and start a different stack. And you can see here that I didn't sew exactly correctly here because they're not all the same size, but I think it's fine. Personally, I think it's fine. You can obviously spend more time and make sure that it's perfectly correct, but to me it's enough. Good enough. Block. I think that's all it is. Everything else in here is just extra fabric. Put the baby block in here, but everything else is just the rest of the fabric for the layout. So I need to count these at some point, and then I need to think of a good layout to put these together so that it'll highlight the blocks themselves but still be enough supporting things. I do want to add some kind of sashing, but I'm thinking that I don't want like a straight sashing. I'm probably going to try to make like a different block in between here, something that won't take too much attention away from the design, but just enough to give it some extra, just to make sure that I give enough attention to the blocks themselves. To me, these are too fancy for just a straight sashing. I just want to make sure that I give this quilt, these quilt blocks, the importance that they deserve. So there's the 4 sets of blocks here, 4 stacks of blocks. I haven't counted them, so I need to count them to see how many I have so that I can compare them to what they need to be. And my 15 minutes is up now. And I did find the other 2 patch that goes with this 2 patch. So I'll go ahead and just sew this up together so it'll be ready for the rest of the blocks. So that it will be ready with the rest of the blocks. This video is one of a series of videos where I invite you to my sewing room and show you what I worked on during my 15 minutes to quilt. I try to quilt every single day just to give myself some time to get away from the busyness of life and to give myself some calm and peace and something fun to do every day. And I hope that you too had a chance to sew along with me. And if you did, please just let me know in the comments what you worked on today and how much you got done. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all of your support, and I hope to see you again in the next video.